Hello everyone, I am Meghana of class 9 from Vishwabharati High School, NTPC Ramagundam. Today, I would like to speak a few words about the great leader and brave freedom fighter of India, Mahatma Gandhi, who is affectionately called as Bapu in India. Gandhi was a lawyer, politician, and activist who led India's non-violence fight for independence from British rule. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother was Putli Bai. Gandhi had three siblings and he was the youngest child. Two older brothers, Lakshmi Das and Karsan Das, one older sister, Laliat Ben. Mohandas did his early schooling at a school in Rajkot, where he studied history, geography, arithmetic, and languages. Later, he shifted to high school situated in Rajkot. He was an average student. In May 1883, 13 years old Gandhi was married to 14 years old Kasturba Gandhi. They had four children. They are Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas, and Devdas. Gandhi enrolled at Samaldas College in Bhavnagar in 18. Gandhi enrolled at Samaldas College in Bhavnagar in 1888 after his marriage. He dropped out of Samaldas College and joined the college in Bombay, but also dropped off. In 1888, Gandhi travelled to London to practice law in University College London. After completing his studies, he was invited to become a barrister in 1891. Then Gandhi returned to India to practice law in Rajkot and Bombay. In 1893, he moved to South Africa where he practiced law and became a public worker. He faced discrimination due to his skin color and heritage. He was not allowed to sit with European passengers and was told to sit on floor near the driver, then beaten when he refused. After several such incidents with whites in South Africa, Gandhi decided to resist this and fight for rights. In 1915, Gandhi returned back to India and became a leader for freedom struggle. He also inspired millions of Indians to join the fight for freedom. He led many movements like non-cooperation movement in 1922, which included boycotting British goods and not paying taxes, and civil disobedience movement in 1930, which included Salt March, and Quit India movement in 1942 and Quit India movement in 1942. The non-violence movement has played a major role in independence struggle. Gandhi's actions were based on the principle of non-violence, truth, and self-discipline. Finally, on 15 August 1947, India got independence from British rule. Among these was Nathuram Godse, a militant Hindu nationalist from Pune, Western India, who assassinated Gandhi by firing 3 bullets into his chest at an interfaith prayer meeting in Delhi on 30 January 1948. But Gandhi was still alive in our hearts and was popularly known as Father of the Nation. Thank you.